you've dedicated a big part of your life's mission to build what you call the next generation of skilled technicians. So I guess the question here is, what made you choose this path, and how did this become your life's work?
When I attended the Society for Maintenance and Reliability conference in Nashville in October of 2002, there was over 600 attendees, and I had a poll, and they asked them, how many of you are going to retire in the next 10 years? Raise your hand. Well, it was quite scary when you know that these are some of the best from Coca-Cola, the post office, Coors, Michelin, all these major corporations had representatives there. And when 90% of them raised their hand, it really caused a stir, because we were like, wow, that just made it so tangible that we've got a crisis on our hands and nobody's doing anything about it. And then we walk outside and there were 5,000 young kids, 15 to 20 somethings, that were standing in line in 30-degree weather, singing on the streets of Nashville, trying to get into the convention center to compete for a spot in American Idol. And meanwhile, the best of the career paths that really mattered, now we call them essential careers, were going unaware, unpursued, and nobody's even considering those options. So later that evening, I came up with an idea, and I told the group I was with that telling engineers that we need more engineers isn't going to generate enough engineers. We got to tell the masses. And I said, writing a book, not enough people will read it. And maybe we could write a magazine, that'll help a little bit. But maybe we need to think about writing a song, because heck, if these kids will stand in 30-degree weather singing songs, maybe some of them will hear it. And sure enough, I did. I had a guy named Harley Denio record it. We've had 15 genres, and it's called the Maintenance Crisis Song. And thousands of people have heard it. It got me to travel. I've been to over 30 countries, and spoke before a Congress, got in the White House, and even it was played during a conference at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
I say, does it make you feel? I say, does it make you feel?